Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. Today's hair is from Wiggins and I got a couple of things. I did get an elastic band, a edge brush, wig caps, and I got a pair of lashes. Here is the wig, you guys, showing the inside of the lace. It is already pre-customized and ready to wear. It does have the elastic band on the inside as well that you can tighten, and you can see really nice plucked hairline, bleach knots, and it is also pre-curled. So like I said, it's ready to go, ready to wear. This is me trying it on, showing you guys what it looks like on my head, and again just showing the hairline and what it looks like. Keeping it simple with this install, I'm just going to use some hairspray and spray that directly on top of the lace. I'm making sure to position it first where I want it exactly before I lay it down. And I also tightened the band in the back. Okay, so apparently I didn't do the hairspray yet because I wanted to go ahead and cut off the lace that is going over my ears. So I went ahead and I did that. So now I'm going to use the hairspray and spray that directly on to the lace right there where the hairline begins. And I'm just using my finger to press the product in and make sure it doesn't run down the lace and it stays where I want it to stay. I am going to let it air dry, so I'm just going to tie it down with the elastic band. Let that sit for like 10-15 minutes and just let it dry on its own. And then I'm just going to take this wax stick. I am going to hot comb just right there over the part so it can lay how I want it to lay, just to frame like my face. So yeah, I'm just going to press that out with the hot comb. Some time has passed, so I'm going to go ahead and remove that band, and this is what it looks like. Really good. As you can see, it is dry, so I'm going to go ahead and cut off the lace now. I just cut in 2 halves and then cut one side at a time. So I just use makeup to blend the lace in because I'm really only applying it right there at the edge where the lace starts, like where the hairline starts. And I'm just using this duo contour kit. I'm using the darkest shade to help the lace blend in. And then I'm going to go back in with some more hairspray, but this time I'm just applying it with my finger just so I don't apply too much. But yeah, I'm just tapping it in, applying that to make sure that everything blends and melts together. This is what everything looks like now, and that looks really good. really seamless. It looks very natural. I'm just making some more touch-ups with the hot comb. So I am going to pull out some sideburns, and I'm just going over that with the hot comb. I'm not going to do too much with the sideburns. I'm going to leave them long and straight, but I am going to cut them, but I'm not going to like gel them down and all that stuff. I'm just going to let the sideburns hang. I think that's really cute. I'm also going to do sideburns as well because I really wanted, not sideburns, but baby hairs. I really wanted to do baby hairs, so I am going to go ahead and pull some hair out. And I did hot comb the hair behind the baby hair back just so that it's not getting in the way. I do like to use Eco Gel to lay the baby hairs. This one is probably my least favorite, but it does work, but it's not as sticky as the other two. But yeah, I'm just going to begin laying the baby hairs to my liking. I'm so happy that this wig came pre-curl because I don't have to curl the hair, and these curls are literally like so bouncy, so big, so full. So I am going to take this wide tooth comb and just kind of fluff them out because I like my curls to be combed out. I like how it looks when they're combed out. I don't like them super defined. And just look how full and bouncy the curls are. Like, that is so pretty. I did also cut a few layers in this wig. I'm just using this eyebrow razor. And yeah, I only really cut right there, like where the hair falls in my face, just to help to frame my face more. So that was all that I did here. But yes, y'all, that is pretty much it. There's nothing left to do to this wig because it was pretty much pre-customized and pre-curled, pre-styled, pre-parted, all those things. So all I had to really do was just do the install, like put the wig on my head. I did a couple of touch-ups on the hair, but not that much. It pretty much still looks like the wig that came out of the package. So I love that because this took less than like 10 minutes. Well, maybe I would say about 15 to 20 minutes. Minus like the drying time for the lace. Everything else was really quick, really simple, really easy, and I love how everything looks. So if you guys want the same look, the same wig, I will have everything listed down below. Definitely check it out. Let me know what you think in the comments, and sub to my channel if you're not already, you guys, and I will catch you in the next one.